Hey there, my name is Carlos and I'm an RMM admin at ProValTech. Today I want to go over the Find Script feature. Please click the like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner so you never miss out on another video. The Find Script feature does exactly what the name implies, so lets you find everywhere that the script is being run. To do this, you want to head over to Automation Scripts, View Scripts. Once that loads up, you can use the search functionality here to look for the script you're looking for. I'll be using the stock script here as an example. Go ahead and double click that to open it, then do find scripts. You'll get a pop-up. You'll likely want to hit yes to if you're trying to find everywhere that the script is being run. It'll take a good second, but you'll see this table up here populate and it'll give you information like where it's being run. For instance, this one right here is being run against the group workstation antivirus only. You can even double click from here to open up that group, and it'll take you straight to where that script is scheduled, where you can modify or delete as necessary. But that should be it. Thanks for watching. We post a new video every week to share our knowledge on ConnectWise Automate. Let us know what else you would like to see, or if you have any questions, please leave your response in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe.